Dark clouds of doubt are making way for hope and sunshine as India slowly treads towards economic recovery. Factory output for January came at 2.6%, beat analyst estimates of 0.8%. However, the pace of growth is much slower than the revised data for December. Manufacturing sector, which contributes 70% to the data, pushed growth, while capital goods sector also jumped higher. Manufacturing grew at 3.3% compared to 2.1% in December, while capital goods recorded the biggest jump, coming in at 12.8% versus the 4.1% growth in December. The mining sector woes, however, continue as operation is still stalled. It contracted by almost 3%. Experts, though, insist that green shoots are finally visible in the economy.
Now, the right structural policies being you started to see action being taken on fixing the factor market. Growth should structurally pick up.
Meanwhile, the consumer price inflation did rise in February. That's the third straight month. February headline inflation came in at 5.37% versus 5.1% in January, mainly due to the sharp rise in food inflation.
It's the food component which is beginning to trend up again, and that is what has led the increase in the headline CPI inflation. I think till some time that there are we actually begin to see increases in food productivity, which is not a short-term phenomenon. That will remain a problem, and that's something which needs to be tackled with due urgency.
It is a sharp correction in global crude and commodity prices that has seen inflation soften, and so a spike isn't a welcome sign. Meanwhile, the government believes that the budget has strong growth impulses, and given the fact that the RBI has eased its stance, it is only a matter of time when recovery picks up. Ruchi Bhatia, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.